Lot number 1390's next, ladies and gentlemen. Are we having fun yet in Scottsdale at the 50th anniversary celebration? Make some noise out there. It's Super Saturday. Lot number 1390 coming across the block now. It's a 2006 Ford GT Heritage Edition, one of only 343 produced and just 24 miles from new. This 2006 Ford GT is powered by an aluminum 5.4 liter dual overhead cam V8 engine, 550 horsepower.
Right, to get a body paying, have it out, don't have to get out to get it here. 3, 4, and 300, 400, and 400,000 down, down, but to get down 5, 5, 5, and 500 down, 500, 600 down, down, and 500, 600 down, but to get down 5, 5, 5, half, a 5 and a half, and 5 and a half, and 5 and a half down, where you at? A 550 now, 600 now, half now, 7, 7, 7, and 700,000 down, and 700,000 down, but to get down 7, 7, 7, a 650, 700, and 700 down, but to get down 70, get down 70, get down 700 down, but to get down body pay, and 700,000 down, and 700,000 down, but to get down 7, 7, 700, but to get down to get it here, and to get down 650, 700 pound dollar, and 700 pound dollar, and 777, and 600 now 700,000 down, but to get down 600 on the internet now 7, and 700 pound dollar, and 777 but to get down 625, and 625 $5 down here to get down 625 to get up above here to get down chain, and 625.
Featured in the iconic Heritage Edition paint scheme, this is directly from the Mile High collection.
25, 50, and 50, and 650, 650, and 650 pound dollar, and 650 pound dollar now 700, and 700 but to get down 77 where, and 700 but to get down 675, and 700, and 700,000 and 700 pound dollar down but to get down internet out, right there to get down 775, and 750, and 750 pound dollar down but to get down 750, and 750,000 down but to get down body pay to get down 725, and 725. I tried how to get down 725, can't do it, and 725 down but to get down 725 to get down 555, and 725 down but to get down 55 now 725 is bid, and now 750, and 750,000 and 750,000 down but to get down what do you want to pay to get all through, all done, and 750,000 and everybody else all through, and $750,000 and a half sold for $725,000 in the Muscle Lounge or VIP.